sustainable eating habits support biodiversity, resource conservation, and a less environmental effect. Long-term food security and environmental health are supported by this strategy. Tips for making more sustainable food choices. Effective strategies to eat more sustainably include choosing seasonal and local foods, cutting back on meat intake, limiting food waste, and encouraging sustainable farming methods. 20. Future of food and nutrition.